Let's solve question 11 from exercise 9.1. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank, the angle of elevation to the top is 60 degrees. Moving 20 meters further back, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. We need to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Now, let's draw the diagram. We mark the tower as height, h, and the canal width as x. Let's recall the tangent formula and specific values for 30 and 60 degrees. Let AB be the tower and BC be the canal. In the first right triangle ABC, tan 60 equals h over x. This gives us our first equation. H equals x root 3. Next, in the larger triangle ABD, tan 30 equals h over x plus 20. By substituting the value of h from our first equation into the second, we can solve for x. Simplifying the algebra, we find that x equals 10 meters. Finally, substituting x back into equation 1. The height h is 10 root 3 meters. Here are our final results. Height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters and the width of the canal is 10 meters.